Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so check this out, bro. You guys ain't even ready for this. Bruh. Someone broke into my truck and stole my freaking carpet, dude. I already called the police, made a police report and everything, dude. It's crazy. No, I'm just playing. Nah, dude, I took my carpet out, dude, because my truck always stunk. Like, if you guys remember, when I first got this truck, like, it was all covered in mold and it kept stinking. That's why I always had to leave my vent windows open. The entire carpet was just completely soaked. Look at all this bubbling that you see. That's bubbling paint. That's from the water sitting everywhere. It almost went through my whole freaking floorboard right here. So yeah, check this out. This is all a bunch of loose rust, but I started sanding it down. I mean, it's still solid. We have a little pipsqueak right here. What's up, dude? You left your highlights on. Look at them headlights, bro. Look, you crying. So this is the carpet that was in my truck. As you can tell, it's just got random stains all over it for no reason. And it's like really dark up here in the front. So it's bad. I already started doing this whole side right here. This is passenger side. And I haven't done the driver's side yet. The driver's side is like so full of dirt, dude. It's not even funny. But yeah, I want to go ahead and set you guys up on a time lapse, and I want to clean this thing. I got this shampoo right here. It was $114 after tax, and I got the 2-year warranty for 10 bucks, so it's $114 altogether.
6 when I press it like a fucking
malfunction already, bud. All right, take 2. Alright, you guys, this is definitely taking a lot longer than I thought. I've been working on the driver's side floorboard for like the past, what seems like an hour, just trying to get all the dirty water up. Like I said, there's like so much dirt caked on, like you barely tap the damn carpet and just a big old cloud of dirt, dust. But anyway, this thing that I got, clean slate or whatever, it's a Hoover. It comes with this attachment, so you just scrub the crap out of it. Just like that, and then you flip it over and suck it up, cuz. But hey, look at the difference though. Like, all up there is so damn dirty, and like right here in this spot is like really freaking clean. I've only been working at this for like maybe 10 minutes, but I'm trying to get all these poop stains out of here right now. Bro, that's no filter. Look at that. That's no filter, bro. That is 100% God. That's God's creation. Yes, sir.